bar. Since I bought the suitcase weights, we had this light bar attached here and here, just with the cord running back to the battery, but this won't work because this is in the way now. So I'm taking a piece of square tubing, and if you can imagine this before I put it up there, it's going to be 26 inches. I'm going to put it through the hole here, where you grab them at, and bolt up. So this will just be a quick, simple project for the day, but maybe it'll give someone else an idea on how to mount their light bar. I don't know, whatever. I felt like making a video, so here we go. Tubing, chop saw, measured off 26 inches, and here we go. So we got 26 inches. Oh, fits like a dream. So next step will be drilling holes and attaching it there. We've got like a rubber piece here so it doesn't vibrate. Up here we don't, and I'm scared that when I tighten both of these sides down, it's going to put stress on the middle. So I'm going to put some kind of rubber here. Hey, be quiet. And then that will dampen the vibration and take some stress off of it. And painter red, I got some red paint. And we'll be good to go. I couldn't find any rubber that I like, but this towel will work all the same. It just needs to dampen and take the stress off of this. We got the bolt hole drilled. I don't even know what size bit I used, big enough that this would fit through. So that goes down in there like so, and then our nut and lock washer and normal washer go on there. I've already got this side on. I'm going to disassemble and paint, and then reassemble and be ready to go. Doesn't have to be fancy, just has to work. There, now the green tile's red. Sticks work great. Not taking this to a showroom, so it doesn't really matter how or where I paint it. I'll get this finished paint up and show you the end result. So I had this rim, actually, check that out. They put weight in this tire and it rusted through and it sprayed and it got this. So I painted it because, you know, I have paint, and that was a mistake because now this is bright red, my tractor's faded, and I want to paint the whole tractor. So I guess I'll wait for this winter, and if I get some money, man, that looks good. Imagine if the whole tractor looked that good. Finished product. Quick, easy, simple, cheap. Now I got my light bar back. So time to head to the field or the driveway because there's nothing to do yet because the crops are growing. Spore Farms.